GPT-3, GPT3.5, and GPT-4 are artificial intelligence, AI, models that can understand and generate human-like text. They are built using what's called machine learning, where the AI learns from a large amount of data, in this case, text from the internet, to make its own sentences. Think of them like virtual writers that have digested more books, articles, and websites than any human could in a lifetime. These models are called generative pre-trained transformers. Generative because they generate text, pre-trained because they learn from existing text before they even start interacting with users, and transformers because of the type of machine learning architecture they use, which is very good at handling sequences of data, like sentences. GPT-3 was a groundbreaking AI that could write essays, poems, and even code by predicting what text should come next in a sequence, given a prompt. It was like having a digital assistant that could draft emails, create content, and more. GPT-3.5 was an incremental improvement over GPT-3. If GPT-3 was like a smartphone with an impressive camera, GPT-3.5 would be the next model with a slightly better camera and battery life, not a huge leap, but noticeably better. GPT-4 is the latest and most advanced. It's as if the smartphone has not only a better camera and battery but also a new feature that lets you translate any spoken language in real time. GPT-4 understands context better, making fewer mistakes, and can handle more complex tasks. Now, let's connect these concepts with familiar pop culture references. Imagine the AI Jarvis from Iron Man, which helps Tony Stark with everything from personal tasks to managing his superhero life. GPT-3 and its successors can be thought of as text-based versions of Jarvis, assisting with digital tasks through typed conversations. Another example is the Universal Translator from Star Trek, a device that can instantly translate any alien language into English. GPT-3.5 and GPT-4, with their language understanding capabilities, are like precursors to such technology, able to understand and generate text in multiple languages. Remember the scene in The Matrix where Neo learns Kung Fu in seconds? GPT models learn in a similar way, absorbing vast amounts of text data and using it to respond intelligently to prompts, although they require a lot more time to train than a quick upload to Neo's brain. Lastly, the enchanted objects in the Harry Potter world, like the Marauder's map or the self-writing quills, seem to have a life of their own. GPT-3 and beyond are like those magical items, creating text and interacting in a way that feels almost alive, although it's all based on patterns they've learned rather than any real magic. In essence, GPT-3, GPT-3.5, and GPT-4 are like having a brilliant, book-smart friend in your computer, one who's read so much that they can help you write almost anything, from a homework assignment to a speech, and do it in a way that feels surprisingly human.